Hello, in front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button for a second or two. Once you open the menu, you can use the crown button, basically rotate it to scroll through the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, select the alarm option, and then press the crown button to enter. Here you will see the add new alarm button or option. Select it and then press the crown button. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and we can do it by rotating the crown button. So set the hour, then minutes, then press the crown button. Here we can select how often the alarm should repeat, and we have only once, every day, and custom. Select the option you like. Basically, if you select only once, the alarm will go off only once and it will turn itself off. If you select every day, it will go off every day. And if you select custom, you can basically select on which days it should be repeating. You can select the day, then press the crown button to select it or unselect it, or check it or uncheck it. And once you're done, select the confirm and press the crown button to confirm. Okay. And as you can see, here we have our alarm. We can select it and press the crown button to enter this menu, and here we can turn it on or off. We can select edit option to edit the alarm. We can also delete the alarm. So if you select the alarm, then scroll down, select delete and press the crown button, it will be removed. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.